Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Bilal Akfar and welcome to Easy Coding with BG. In the previous lecture we have discussed about how we can embed a YouTube video by using iframes in HTML. But today in this lecture we will discuss about the marquee tags. Basically what are the marquee tags and why they are used in HTML. So first of all let's move to our web browser and basically in news channel you saw uh, marquee tags in the bottom side which are scrolling to the left or right side, and they are just updating us the news, and they are just updating us about the news. So first of all I will just simply open a news channel. For showing an example I will just simply write here Geo News. I will just simply open this first. So here is a news channel with the name Geo News. So you can see that in this news there is a scrolling of news in this tag. You can see that
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं हूं अलीना फारूक शेख। जनाब, मुल्क में बढ़ते
you
हुए
can see
कोरोना
that how
केसेस, शदीद दबाव है हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम की
this
बात की जाए
marquee tags,
या
basically
फिर ऑक्सीजन
this
सप्लाई खास तौर पर,
scrolling of this
क्योंकि
news
इस वेव
is
में
by
रिपोर्ट हो
using
रहा है कि
the
खासकर
marquee tag.
लोगों की ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन बहुत
So we will just implement marquee tags in our Visual Code Studio. So let's move to our Visual Code Editor. So let's move. So first of all I will just create a new file here and save this file with the name marquee tag.html. marquee.html. So now I save this. I will just simply implement a code of HTML first. Implement a tag of HTML first. Sorry. So after this tag I will implement a tag of header here, and in this header I will insert a tag of title here, and in this title I will write marquee tag example. Marquee tag marquee tag only. So after this I will insert another tag with the name body, and in this body tag I will just in this body tag I will insert a tag of marquee tag. I will simply write here marquee. After writing this, in this marquee tag I will just simply name this. I will write here hello, my name is Bilal Ghaffar. My name is Bilal Ghaffar. And my nickname is Believer Boy. And Now I will just simply save this, and as I move back to my browser, I will just simply move back to my browser, and I will simply refresh this and open this. So you can see that our marquee tag is just scrolling from left to the right side. So you can see that how the marquee tag is actually working. So if I want to add more styling in this, I will add some attributes in this marquee tag. So first I will insert an attribute of direction. If I want to change its direction, basically it is moving from the left side. So if I want to move this marquee tag from the right side, I will just simply write here direction is equal to right side, right. I will simply save this, and as I move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that the direction of this marquee tag has been changed. So now it is just scrolling from the right side to the left side. So I will add another attribute. You can also change its direction from top. If I write here up, it will simply move from the upside. So you can see that it is moving from up, it is moving to the top side. If I want to move it to the bottom side, I will simply write here down, and simply save this and move back to my browser and refresh this. So you can see that our tag is moving to the downside. So I will insert another attribute with the name. I will insert attribute uh, which is scroll amount. If I will simply write here scroll amount, scroll amount, scroll amount. I will give it value, let's say for example 30 here. 30 means here 30 pixel. I will simply save this, and now if I move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that I will just move to the editor, and I will write here right. Save this and move back to my browser and refresh this. Now the scrolling speed is just 30 pixels. The scrolling speed is 30. The scrolling speed of this marquee tag is now 30%. So if I want to increase its speed, so I will simply, if I write here, 70, I will, as I save this and move back to my browser and refresh this, basically there is a mistake of spelling in this scroll amount. I will just simply correct this spellings, and then now if I save this and as I move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that the speed of this marquee tag has been increased to 70%. And now you can see that how this scroll amount attribute actually works in HTML. And now if I want to decrease its speed, I will simply write here 50. If I write here 50 scroll amount, and as I save this and as I move back browser, refresh this, so you can see that the speed has been decreased a little bit. So I will move to the next attribute, which is behavior. I will write here behavior. I will equal to, if I write here slide, and now if I save this and move back to my browser and refresh this, if the spelling is correct, behavior. behavior slide. So basically this attribute behavior is just just used for sliding over uh, marquee tag. And now if I change its value, I will write here alternate. And now if I save this and refresh this into the browser, so basically there is a mistake of spellings. Basically there is a mistake of spellings in our attribute in behavior, so I will just correct this. And now if I try this again, I will simply write here slide. And now if I save this and I move back to the browser and refresh this, so you can see that our marquee tag only moves one side, and uh, as I reach to the from left to the right side, it has been stopped. So this is the value slide, which actually works like this. So now if I change this value, I will write here alternate. And now if I save this and refresh my browser again, so you can see that how this alternate attribute actually works. You can see that we how we can add more styling by using the attribute behavior. And now we will just move to the next attribute, which is scroll delay. I will write here scroll delay. And I will give its value, let's say 5. And now if I no I will give it value 2. Now if I save this and refresh my browser again, basically I will just first of all decrease the speed of this marquee tag. I will just write here 15. And now if I increase its value scroll del, and I will write here 10. Now if I save this and move back to my browser and refresh the page, so you can see that our scroll bar is just moving slowly and slowly. Now if I increase its value, let's say for example 30, and refresh this again, I will increase more. I will write here 50 and save this and refresh my browser again. So you can see that the speed has been. What I will do, I will just simply increase its amount. So I will write here 500 and increase its amount. I will write here 10. And now if I save this and move back to my browser and refresh this,